Do you want to know how you can change your avatar or your profile picture in Perplexity AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your avatar or personal picture or your profile picture in Perplexity AI. Go ahead and open Perplexity AI on your Chrome or Edge browser and then log into your account. Now click on the settings which you can see on the left hand side of your screen. You can see your avatar over here. Go ahead and click the edit button and choose the photo of your choice. You can see that your avatar has now been changed. Let me show it to you once again, guys. All you need to do is go to Perplexity AI and log into your account. Now click on the settings which you can see on the left bottom side and you can see avatar over here. Go ahead and click this edit button and choose the photo which you want. You can see that your avatar now has been changed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.